So what you want to do to basically fix this is, you can see I'm in Premiere once again, and the first way to fix this is you can simply delete all of this excess stuff outside of the I to O section that you actually want to export. But you can see there's all this random stuff over here. So you want to delete all of this. And this is the first fix. I don't know why, but it always thinks that it's basically exporting the entire sequence, even though it knows it's going to export only this little section right here. So the first way you can actually fix this is you can delete all of the stuff that's like out of bounds basically from I to O, so it just exports faster. And the second way is you can actually copy your entire sequence, just dragging your cursor, and you can basically go home, make a new project, it doesn't matter the name, and basically when you create this new project, create the new sequence over here, file, new sequence, like so, and then make the sequence. You can basically paste your project over here with only what you want to export, and once you set your I to O again right now, your export problem should be solved. Now this is my biggest solution. This worked for me every single time when I just create a new sequence and try to export it on a brand new track. But if that doesn't work, you can also reset your computer or just quit Premiere, and that should help solve this issue. But yeah, just create a new sequence and you should be good about this error. It's pretty annoying, but it doesn't freeze anymore, and it actually exports flawlessly when you do this.